Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify VPC route tables and NAT gateways in AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Route Tables. You will see a list of all your route tables. Select the route table you want to verify. Check the Routes tab for existing routes. Ensure that the routes align with your network requirements. Next, verify the destination IP ranges. Make sure they point to the correct gateways or instances. Now, go back to the VPC dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on NAT Gateways. You will see a list of existing NAT gateways. Select the NAT gateway you wish to examine. Take note of the status column to ensure it's active. Review the Elastic IP column to confirm the public IP is assigned. Next, check the associated route tables for your NAT gateway. Ensure the route table directs internet-bound traffic to the NAT gateway. Now, go back to your instances that require internet access. Verify that these instances use the appropriate subnet. Ensure they have the correct route table associated. Finally, conduct connectivity tests from your instances. Use tools like ping or curl to confirm internet access. If there are issues, revisit your route tables and NAT configurations. Make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. Document any changes you make for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.